maulang to mga inday no nga atong vlog for today. So kung nakita ninyo nga nagdagan na pud mi pauli no, padulong na mi biyahe pauli. So murag labad akong ulo, murag kasukaon ko or thank you for watching to my video and I hope you like it, and then please click the button for subscribe, comment and share, and hit the bell button for new notification bell. So thank you everyone. Bye bye. God bless.